Hello everyone, before we start, I want to let you know that all of these tips come from technicians at this appliance workshop, which is highly respected in the city, so don't worry, we're going to solve this issue here. The blinking red light on a Roku TV always raises questions in the workshop because it's not just a cosmetic detail, it's the TV's way of telling you that something isn't working properly. Some customers tell us that the TV stays on, but the red light keeps blinking, which gives us clues about potential power issues or internal system conflicts. Workshop technicians know that this blinking pattern is often an early warning before more serious problems appear. Looking at multiple cases, we notice that many customers see the blinking light when they turn on the TV or when trying to play content from a console or external device. Technicians explain that this can indicate the power supply is not providing a consistent voltage or that there is interference from unstable HDMI connections. One customer said, "The TV seemed fine, but the red light started blinking every time I connected my console, confirming the importance of checking all connected devices." In other cases, the blinking occurs intermittently while the TV appears to function normally. This usually happens when the television detects partial overheating or insufficient ventilation. Customers have shared that moving the TV to a more open space stopped the blinking. Workshop technicians explain that internal sensors monitor temperature, and if they detect excessive heat, they trigger the red light as a warning to protect the internal components. We've also seen that the blinking can be related to software issues. Some customers report that after fully